Hello everybody, it's MC from Not Just Scrapbooks, and I am here with another mixture of junk journal mini album traveler's notes. This one is for a friend of mine, and she is in love with sunflowers and peacocks, if you can't tell. So that's where I went with this album for her. I am going to take it off the stand in a minute, but first, the images are from a couple of Etsy stores. The peacocks are from one store and the sunflowers are from another, and I will try to put that down in the description when I find it again. And the lace is from Amazon. The ribbons are from way back when. I bought them when I lived in Florida, and I still have some, which is really cool because it's a really great ribbon. It looks good, and I have it in different colors. The charms are also from Amazon and from Hobby Lobby and from an online shop. And again, you've got sunflowers and peacock, and yeah, and then I put sunflowers on the outside to give it a bit of dimension and sort of take a little bit away from just peacocks. So as soon as we get back, I will turn this off and we will take a look inside. Okay, we may have to readjust this, so let me see what I can do and whether or not we can fix this so we can see what's inside, or whether we need to change the setup altogether. We shall see. Okay, well, maybe this will work. So on this side, we have a card, and we have a peacock and a sheet where she can write more stuff. And the outside is actually fabric, in case you didn't notice, under the paper. And then we have this part, which is something that she can put more pictures on, or put whatever she wants in it. And then we have two different albums in here, and I will just run through this very quickly. I see a little bit of sunflowers in here, and some peacocks, and lots of spaces for her to be able to write. I hope she enjoys this book and that she actually uses it. That's one of the things about giving things like this away. Sometimes people just never use them. They just leave them on their shelf and look at them, I guess. This is the center, and I did put a little charm in here. And more sunflowers and peacocks, and lots and lots and lots of places for her to, she could put pictures here, but she can also put pictures here and right underneath the picture. So it can be pretty versatile, and it really doesn't have the feel of a junk journal because I don't have all sorts of different size of things in here. So that's where it becomes a bit of a hybrid. And usually every page is printed at least twice, with the front and the back. And this is like the back of one and the start of the second album here. And I try not to repeat, I did repeat these pages, but I try not to repeat the picture pages so that it's cohesive, but not like just the same everywhere. So here's hoping I did not duplicate. But it's not too hard to do that. Let's see. Peacocks and sunflowers and just nice pages. And there's the center of this book. And we have another sunflower in the middle of this one. another peacock. Yeah, lots of space, and because it's tied with the ribbon, she can put much stuff as she wants in there and still be able to close it, which is kind of important to me because it makes it a little less vulnerable. And if she wants to, she can even take these little albums out and then just put new pages in. And she's got more places to put pictures here. And then in the back there is an envelope and a little spot here where she can put a bigger picture, and she can add more things in the pocket if she wants to. And let's take a quick look at the charms on here. So there's a few. There's a couple of silver sunflowers and painted sunflowers and suncatcher, I guess. Is that a suncatcher or windcatcher? I don't remember. And then there's a big peacock right here. And what I did is I just tacked this with a double-sided, like a glue spot. And she can take that off if she wants to. And on the front, some of the flowers are fabric, and I'm going to put a little dab of glue on this one. And then there's different dimensions. There's like a little butterfly or moth or something on here. And yeah, that's this album. And I hope you enjoyed taking a quick look through it. And I will see you with the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.